Welcome to BISP Solutions. I'm Sianshi Jain, and today we will see how to upload trial balance using Excel. For this, I have already created the Excel. We have account, entity, and amount. We could see that amount is with along with debit is few amount is with debit and few amount is with credit. So in this scenario, how we will upload the trial balance into our data management. So let's go to our application. We will go to data management. We'll go to setup. We have already defined our source system as file, so we need not create it again. Similarly, we have our target system as Wins console, so we will not do it again. We'll directly go to import format and then click on add. We'll name it as debit credit underscore IMF. Our source is file, target is Wins console. Our file type will be delimited numeric data, and then we will save it. Now we will do the mapping for the same. Copy account from target to source column, and its field number is 1 in our spreadsheet, and then we will save it. Next dimension is our amount. Field number is 3, and then we will save it. Next is our data source. We will provide any field number, let's say for suppose 2, and then we will define the expression FCCS underscore manage data. We will save it. Next is our entity. Field number is 2. We will save it. Next is our from currency. Field number will be 2. And then we will give it expression as entity currency. Next is our intercompany. Field number will be 2. Intercompany expression is FCCS underscore no intercompany. Next is our movement. FCCS no movement. We will save it. Next is our multi-gap. And the expression will be FCCS underscore local gap. We will save it. And last is our product. Its expression will be no product. And then we will click on save. We're done with our import format. Now we will go to location and create the location. We'll click on add. DRCR underscore LOC. Import format will be this is our import format. We will select the import format that we have created in a previous step. Source and target have been already selected. Our functional currency is entity currency and rest will remain same. We will save it. Then we will go to workflow and then define our POV. Our location will be reset and search. Our location will be this DRCRLOC. Click on OK. Change the period to Jan 15. Category will be actual and then click on OK. Now we will start doing the mapping. We will do the like mapping. We will first map the account. Click on add. We will do the star mapping, like mapping. Source value as star, target value as star, and then rule name will be D. Let's suppose give it as D1. We will save it. Next is our data source. This is system generated. So we'll just click on save. Next is our entity. It will provide source value as star, target value as star, and then rule name will be D2. Save. From currency, add star D3. D3, I think we have already provided 1, 2, 3. We will have to change it to D4. Rule name should be unique. Now the intercompany. Rule name will be D4. D5, let's suppose. And then we will save it. And then movement is system generated. So we'll just click on save. Multi-gap is also system generated. Save. Last is our product. Click on add. Star, target value star, D6, and then we will click on save. We have done the data load mapping. Now we will go to data load rule. Click on add, create the data load rule file, DRCR underscore data load rule, DLR. Category is actual, target cube is console, and import format. We will provide our import format. Then we will click on save. Now we will provide the file, upload the file, upload, choose. This is trial balance. Click on OK. Now we'll click on save. Now we will execute it. Import from source, run. Click on refresh. Now we will go to data load workbench. We could see that our file, the items of our source file is visible in this data load workbench. We could see the minus figures that is reflecting the credit balance. Now we will export it. We'll choose export mode as replace. And then when you click on OK, when we click on OK, we will get a third golden fish that will show that our process has been imported, validated, and has been it is correct in all respect. We got a third golden fish. Now to check um, whether we have done the correct process or not, we will check it in validate the figures in a smart view. I've already created the smart view and I've defined the POVs. My one my POV of data store will be manage data. Now I will click on refresh. I could see that firstly, there was debit credit besides the amount. Now we could see that minus figures, which are reflecting that the amount balance is a credit balance. This was for today. Thank you. For any queries, reach out us at www.bispsolutions.com. Thank you.